Virgos. Checking the love energy. Sending you all love and light. Energy could be masculine or feminine. You guys place it on whatever side you need to. Okay, Spirit. Come through. All right. Let's check this energy, Virgos. All right, we have a tower moment happening. Coming through as the spirit of the wind. We just went through. You may have had a bad thunderstorm in your neighborhood recently for someone, to where you just maybe had glanced at the thunder and the lightning, like, you know, like, whoa, this is crazy. That was an indication of what was going to happen in your life, because you got somebody coming at you with disruption, trying to disrupt your life, trying to throw you off your square here. This person is trying to be conniving, trying to figure out how to do this. Got the spirit of the fox. So they just trying to plan some shit, right? Oh, boy. Yeah. This person is feeling pitiful because they are attached to someone sexually. So someone here is trying to abruptly interrupt someone's life so they can get some. And they feel pitiful because, you know, no matter what they do, they can't get this person out their mind. No matter what they do, they still crave this person. So they're trying to figure out what it is. How can they can disrupt this person's energy enough so that they can get what they want? Yeah. Yep, someone's going crazy because they're thinking about all of this. Thinking about all of this over and over again. Not who they appear to be. So they weren't on the up and up with someone here anyway. Okay? Right? They don't know how to come back towards someone because they didn't even present themselves as the proper person they are. Take that how it resonates. I'm sending you guys love. I'm sending you light. Y'all take care.